Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given an expression 7 plus 7 times 8 by 7. So let's start with today's video solution. People solved it, cancel out the 7 with 7 and then 7 plus 1 times 8. 7 plus 8, that is 15, which is the wrong answer. What you have to do, you have to follow certain rules, and if you have confusion, we cannot cancel out numerator and denominator like this. Write the numerator in bracket and then division sign and then write the denominator. So now first you have to solve the numerator. Here you have given two operations, that is addition and multiplication. So I am going to use PEMDAS rule or PEMDAS rule, where this helps to identify which operation you have to solve first. So P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So in multiplication and addition, you have to give priority to multiplication. So 7 plus 7 times 8 is 56. Divided 7. 7 plus 56 is 63. Divided 7. Now you can write it in fraction form. 63 by 7, which is equals to 9. So what is the correct answer? 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.